Good day, everyone. I am Maria Otelia Videberco, and today I am stating an advocacy for gender inequality and women's rights. Across the world, women and girls are breaking barriers, but they still face an unequal treatment. From unequal pay to violence and lack of opportunity, gender inequality holds us all back. Did you know that women earns less than men for the same work? That millions of girls don't have access to education, or that 1 in 3 women experience violence in their lifetime. Across the world, women and girls are breaking barriers, but they still face an unequal treatment. From unequal pay to violence and lack of opportunity, gender inequality holds us all back. But change is possible. When we advocate for gender inequality, we create a world where women and girls can thrive, where they have the same opportunities, safety, and rights as anyone else. We need your voice. We need your actions. Stand up for equal pay, fight against violence, and ensure every girl gets the education she deserves. Together, we can create lasting change. Gender inequality is not just a woman's issue, it's a human's issue. Let's work together to build a world where every woman, everywhere, is empowered. Thank you for listening. Every day, millions of people wake up with a dream to be heard, a dream to succeed, a dream for a better tomorrow. But for too long, that dream has been out of reach for many. Today, I stand here before you, believing it's time for change. A change where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. No matter their background, a future where healthcare is affordable for all, where education opens doors, and where economy works for everyone. We envision a future where opportunities is not limited by zip codes or backgrounds, where every child, regardless of where they were born, can dream as big as stars and know that their future is limitless. A world where a healthcare is a right, not a privilege, where education opens doors and not barriers, and where we create jobs not just for today, but for generations to come. My commitment to you is this. I will not wait for change to happen. I will lead with courage, with clarity, and with conviction. I will fight for the policies that will create jobs, lower healthcare costs, and provide real opportunities for every Filipino. But I cannot do this alone. I need each and every one of you, your ideas, your voices, your passion. We are not just a nation. We are a movement for progress, a movement for justice, a movement for opportunity. Together, we will write a new story of a new Philippines, one where no dream is out of reach. Together, we will lead the world, not by division, but by unity. We will build a future where we are all stronger, and where our children can live in a country we have always dreamed of. Together we rise, together we lead. Together, we will build the future we all deserve. And that is all. Thank you.